Welcome to the master bedroom of our 40 million Gulf Estates listing. So all the space belongs to the masters and it can fit in a king or a queen size bed. It also has access from this door over here, leading out to the balcony, which overlooks the golf course because this is a Fairway property and the backyard. And the masters has a really huge walk-in closet, which of course as a girl I love so much. It also has like an open plan, so meaning there's no doors and you can just see what's inside your closet, and already comes with racks and shelves and drawers, and there's lots of space. Like there's space here for your long dresses or gowns, for maybe your tops, and even extra space for your luggage because there's really a lot of storage space, and they were really able to maximize every corner. Like even this corner that would usually be hard to reach, they were able to just open it up so you can place more stuff in there. And this door over here leads to the toilet and bath. So the masters has the biggest bathroom and it has a walk-in closet. So there's this tub over here, countertop space, and this huge shower area, which I think can fit in like 3 or 4 people. Look at all this space just for your shower area.